What's up, YouTube? This is your girl, Nubian Princess. Welcome to my channel. Whew, I'm out of breath. Hold on, guys. Let me put... So, today I'm out of breath, but I wanted to come on and basically do a quick video. Y'all, this is horrible lighting. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's see if I can put it on here. Ugh, no. I'll be back. Okay, YouTube, this is your girl, Nubian Princess. I wanted to come on here today and basically do a video and show you guys how I clean my room, because I don't like to clean, but I have to clean. And because I want to save money and not hire people to clean my house, I decided that this weekend I'm going to clean my house in sections. So what I do is I play music in the background and I just clean. So I just wanted to come on here and basically tell you guys that me and my lock extensions are about to do some house cleaning. So I'm gonna do my room. I have a section of my room where I had a bunch of clothes like that I buy, like, okay, not anymore. I used to buy like little small items here and there, and they just slowly piled up, and I've tried to put them away, but then they keep coming back. So I was like, you know what? This weekend, I am going to declutter my life. I am going to get my life together. I don't know why this is my favorite dance. It's terrible. I gotta learn something else. Anyways, thank you guys for subscribing and for watching. Stay tuned. Love you guys.